Good morning, traders. Today is Friday, November 25th. This is your stock market outlook for today. It is all about the VIX today, guys. It has something to prove. Guess what? Overnight in extended hours, basically just after midnight, what did the VIX do? It gapped up right here. It's pulling a little switcheroo on us. See, it was down, 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 right? On Wednesday, but then here we go, boom, it gaps up. See, okay, so first thing to keep in mind when anything gaps up, it doesn't matter whether it's VIX or your equity stock, equity or index of choice or ETF of choice. Anytime something gaps up, it is at risk that same day. It is at risk, right? Not an absolute. It is at risk of coming back down and filling the gap that it left. That doesn't always have to happen the same day. Okay, it could just gap up. Two scenarios: it gaps up and then it keeps going up. Okay, the rest of the day, and then another day or another week, it can be that far ahead. It comes back and fills the gap. Okay, so or the other alternative is it gaps up in the morning and in the same day it makes the round trip and gaps all the way back, falls all the way back down to fill the gap. Okay, so let's have a look what's going on right now in futures. 60 minutes until opening bell. Markets are flattish. That's nothing substantial, right? As you see here. Let's dive in a little bit more. Okay, let's look at the TQQQ first. Yep, okay. Now, as you see right now, TQQQ is under its 5-minute EMA 50, okay? This red line represents the 30-minute EMA 50 line right there, okay? So it is under it. So what I think is going to happen is this is going to be the first battleground for the morning out of the gate at opening bell. This is the first one. It basically needs to reclaim the 30-minute EMA 50 line right here. It needs to, you see, it's immediately already starting just below it, right? It's touching it, it's kissing the resistance line. It's now serving as resistance. So it needs to come up, successfully backtest, and then it's going to go for its own 5-minute EMA 50 up here. Okay, that's what you can expect to happen out of the gate immediately. Okay, let's look at the VIX right here. Now, check this out. Out of the gate, see, it's already way above its EMA 50 line on the 5 minutes chart. In last night's video, you heard me say it has not successfully back tested its EMA 50 line. Back tested, right? Right now it's broken through it. But see, here's another failure even in extended hours. See it? It failed. It failed the back test. Immediately out of the gates, you can expect this back test to happen. It's going to back test. And we're going to find out, right? I think within the first 30 to 60 minutes of opening bell, we're going to find it might even be faster than that. We'll see. We are going to find out if VIX can hold the back test of its own EMA 50 line, which is currently 20.70. Okay, 2070. That is the key level you want to be watching for. Can it hold that level or not? There are signs it will not hold, and I'll show you why. All right, check this out. Right down here, you see that? Here's the RSI. RSI at this point corresponds to RSI, the price at this point, right? See that right there? That's the price. But look down here. The RSI is even lower down here, even though the price point up there is higher. That's bearish divergence, okay? Likewise, look at the MACD. It is highest over here at this price point right there, highest, but it's even lower over here when the price is at its highest. Okay, this is on the 5-minute. We continued, when we look at the 30-minute, we are seeing also bearish divergence right here. See, so this point right here, this point at 5:15 a.m. Eastern Time, this point is higher than the point right now on the RSI. But up top, the price is higher now than it was at 5:15 a.m. Okay, that is bearish divergence. Also on the 30-minute. Oh, let's see what we got here on the 65-minute. Same deal. See that? Um, higher here on the RSI, lower currently on the price, at the current price level down here, RSI. You can also see that reflected in the price on the hourly 65-minute chart. Okay, so I'm thinking based on what I see on the on the MACD, the bearish on the RSI, on the 5-minute, 30-minute, and 65-minute charts of the VIX. So we see bearish divergence. We see a gap at opening bell. I'm sorry, at in extended hours, a gap up. I'm tempted to say the VIX will not hold. Okay, it's not going to hold this 5-minute EMA 50 line. Because when we skip over to the 30-minute, check this out. It's not even 2, it's 30-minute, right? It's just over the SMA 20 on the 30 minutes chart. So basically, let's see, that's 2061, and yeah, okay. We'll see. So I, VIX is the one that has something to prove more than TQQQ and the markets right now. VIX is the one. If VIX cannot hold the 5-minute EMA 50 in the first 30 to 60 minutes of trading today, which, by the way, you guys probably know it's shortened trading today, right? We stop around the noon hour. So if VIX cannot hold, then at least for today, the rally moves on to live another day. Okay, so all eyes on VIX 5 minutes chart in the first 30 to 60 minutes. I have suspicion it's not going to hold, but if it does hold and successfully backtests right up here, if it does hold, then uh, the rally is, you can say at the very least, the rally will stall. The upward momentum is lost. It will at the very least stall, right? If VIX holds. But if VIX does, yeah, that's at the very least. At the very worst, it could be a flash crash. That's at the very worst. I don't think so. I just don't think so. But okay, so I'm more leaning to VIX will not hold. Okay, it will not hold. But wait for the 5-minute confirmation on the back test of VIX on its EMA 50 first before you decide to make any trade. You got look all eyes on VIX. Don't look at your um, equity, whatever you choose to trade. Look at VIX. Watch VIX, because VIX will be the one to give you permission or permission denied to move forward with your trade. Okay, that is all I've got for you guys today. Happy Friday and good luck trading. Talk to you soon.